In today's video, I am going to teach you how to inspect element on Google Chrome. This is a simple skill that helps you look behind the scenes of a web page, so you can view the HTML and quickly identify which part of the code matches what you see on the screen. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, navigate to any website you want. It can be a home page, an article, or any page with text and images. Give the page a moment to load fully so everything you see is in place. Next, find the specific text or image you want to examine. Move your cursor over that item, then right-click directly on it. A menu will appear. At the bottom of that menu, select Inspect. As soon as you click Inspect, the Chrome DevTools panel will open, usually on the right side of your screen. This panel is where you can view and interact with the web page code. Now look to the top left corner of the DevTools panel and click the Select Element icon. It looks like a small square with a cursor. This tool lets you point to anything on the page and instantly match it to its code. With Select Element turned on, hover your mouse over different parts of the web page. As you move around, you will see sections highlight on the page. This highlight shows the exact element you are hovering over, which is useful for selecting the right piece, especially on busy pages. When the highlight is on the item you want, click it. Chrome will jump to the matching code in the center window of DevTools, making it easier to see how that specific text, image, or section is built. If you want to try a quick change, double-click on any text inside the code window. This lets you edit that text temporarily. These changes are only local in your browser. They will not update the real website, and they will disappear if you refresh the page. When you are finished, close DevTools by clicking the X in the top right of the panel. That covers everything you need to know.